Hi folks, and welcome to the DS Cars video channel. Here today we have a 2018 BMW 420. This is the Gran Coupe model, so it's a 5-door. At the front here we have the angel eyes, LED daytime running lights, LED full LED headlights, and then fog lights are in the bottom. Front parking sensors as well on this. This car is finished in the sapphire black, metallic black. See there, the car has graphite grey 20-inch alloys, has the BMW M Performance style body kit, front splitter, side skirts, rear spoiler. What you see here is what you're getting. No, the 20-inch alloys, they go with the car. They're not an option. No added costs, unlike many other dealers. So there, the boot spoiler there in the rear parking sensors, twin chrome tailpipes, LED taillights as well. Privacy glass there in the back windows from the B-post back. Stunning looking car, and the wheels just add to it. We've also LED lights in the bottom of these handles. On the inside we've got the full black interior, full black leather, Dakota leather interior to be precise. We've got the M Sport sill plates there, front and rear electric windows, electric door mirrors, leather bound steering wheel. We also have the black headlining there as well. Push button start. Full automatic 8-speed automatic gearbox. We've got your different sport modes, eco mode, parking sensors to turn them off, and traction control, turn that off. The iDrive there as well, cup holders, power socket there as well, dual climate control, heated front seats, CD player of all things. We've got this is touchscreen, or you can control it with the iDrive controls down beside on the console. DAB radio. We've got Bluetooth. We've got sat nav. Interactive as well. Vehicle notifications. So on, so on. Manual handbrake, center armrest, USB socket in there, book pack in there, floppy paddles on the steering wheel. You want a manual change, got cruise control, speed limiter there on the steering wheel, and that on the left hand side. On this side then we've got the radio control functions. Answer your phone. And contrary to belief, this stick here, if you move it up, it makes that wee see that green thing flashing there, and then if you move it to the other side, there's that green thing flashing again there too. BMW drivers don't seem to know what those mean, but this one has it fitted and they're working. This side here is the wipers, fully automatic. As you can see on this one here, we've got 81,400 miles on it. Full auto dim rear view mirror, LED interior lighting. We've got twin keys, keyless start. What else have we got? Right, we've got the full automatic headlights, front and rear fog light switch there. Down here above the bonnet pole, strange place to put it, but that opens your rear boot. Good size cubby holder, bottle holder there, front rear electric windows, already covered that. In the rear, electric windows in the rear as well, ISOFIX on the outer seats. Center seat there has the armrest, two cup holders there in the center. Air vents there in the rear. LED interior lighting again. This is the AdBlue model. Power boot. Good size boot in this, being the Gran Coupe. 60/40 split rear seat there, so you can fold on down. You get a massive boot then. That's the rear parcel shelf. That is removable if you need the extra space. And below the boot floor, that's tire inflation kit, as there is no spare wheel, and also the tires are not run flats. In here we've got the lock and wheel nut key toolkit in there. Height adjustable passenger seat as well. Airbag deactivation switch there. So in here we have the 190 brake horse 2-litre diesel coupled to the 8-speed manual gearbox. Gives us good economy along with good power. Has just been serviced, is ready to drive away today. So there you are, folks. 2018 BMW 420d M Sport Gran Coupe. In other words, it's a 5-door 4 Series. Bit more practical than the 2-door models, yet still looks a very sporty car. This comes with 6 months roadside assistance warranty, can be extended out to 12 or 24 months if required. Finance available from a very competitive 9.9. So, there you are, folks. You made it this far. You like what you see, give it a wee thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified of anything as it comes in. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps get the channel out there. It helps push the cars out there as well. Any more information, want to arrange a viewing, pick up the phone. Don't be shy. And remember, folks, this one has the indicators as well, so all ready to go. Alright, folks, many thanks for watching. All the best. Bye.